Got your monthly social calendar ready? Add all your posts to an Excel sheet and upload it to Birdeye to schedule hundreds of posts across locations and social channels in one go. You can easily preview posts, identify errors, and correct them quickly. To get started, go to Social. Click the drop-down button next to Create Post and select Schedule in Bulk. You're on the bulk scheduling page now. Click on the sample spreadsheet to download the sample file. This is how the downloaded file will appear and will guide you in uploading all your posts in bulk. The columns such as location, channel, content, date and time, and post type are mandatory fields to fill in, while the rest of the columns such as image, video URLs, and YouTube title are optional to fill in. Note, you can include the Google Shared Drive URL or any public URL for image additions. I'd already have this sheet ready with filled-in data. Here's our location ID, channel name, date and time, and includes an image and video URL. It's time to upload the sheet. Go back to the bulk scheduling page, click on Browse Files to upload the file. Once uploaded, click Next to proceed. Here are the posts ready to preview. Once done, click Next to import the posts. Initiate the import by clicking Start Import. There we go, the posts have been scheduled. You can navigate to the calendar view to visualize and manage scheduled posts easily. Click on the drop-down button to check your import history. In case of any errors, you can download the error file to identify and address issues within the file. Hope you found this video helpful. For more how-to videos, subscribe to our Birdeye YouTube channel.